Welcome to Creative Homeschooling Science Series. A day longer than a year?
What would it be like if a day lasted longer than a year? On our planet Earth, a day lasts 24 hours and a year lasts 365 days. Imagine what it would be like if a day was longer than a year. Is it even realistic, or are we just using our imaginations? You will find out in a moment. But first, let's understand what a day and a year are. As you may already know, our planet revolves around the sun while also rotating around its own axis. A day is the amount of time it takes for our planet to rotate around its own axis once. An year is the length of time it takes for the Earth to complete one revolution around the sun. Returning to our original question, is there a planet whose rotation is so slow that a day on it lasts longer than a year? And the answer is yes, there is one, and it is located within our solar system. What's more thrilling is that it's one of our nearest neighbors. It's none other than the planet Venus. One rotation of Venus takes 243 days, while a one complete revolution around the sun takes only 225 days. So, a day on Venus is 18 days longer than a year. Isn't it incredible? I hope you liked the video, and I will come up again with another interesting science story in my next video. Please do like and subscribe if you would like to follow my science stories.